Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. We're actually just going to walk through like what I got going on, right? You guys know ice season is upon us and I've been just prepping, kind of. Let me show you. Oh, I was prepping, alright. Now, I'm prepping specifically for whitefish. You guys can see here, I haven't done much progress besides taking off the reels, changing these in and out. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm doing, but so many of you who follow me, you guys know that I run the DYangBass special, the whitefish rods, right? Now this was actually my first prototype special to me, and you can see that it doesn't have the logo butt cap right there. This right here does. Okay, sadly, unfortunately, we won't be running these this year, so you won't be able to get them. Maybe next year I'll talk to Bass King himself, and we could work something out, set up another special cell, you know. I love this rod. It's amazing. So this one right here, I believe, is a, let me see, let me just measure real quick. I think the first one was actually a 35 or 36 inch. And then we said, you know what? Let's go to the 33. Let's make it an odd number, 33 inch. It's like a medium light action. You know, it's very sensitive, very light. Again, very durable, stylish. It has that like shiny chrome silver with the gold on it, so it looks real nice. You guys can see that. I'm trying to put it in the camera here. So it's very slick, you know. Comes with the recoil guides, doesn't freeze up as often. You can get ice off real easy. So that's what I run. I run three, basically 2 monos and 1 braid if I'm fishing any deeper. Mainly I'll use this long one for braid, but other than that, the other 2 would just be mono. Maybe I'll go fluoro depending, but I just go 3 to 4 pound mono. That's what I go with. But yeah, you guys can see here, I haven't done much prepping. I'm very excited. Oh, I can talk about the gold tungsten here. You can see that right there. Gold tungsten. I think these are the size 5 and 6. Different colors too, just in case I'm fishing shallower with darker murky water. You know, you just gotta have them in here just in case. I still gotta unbox my Widowmaker tackle to throw it in this little whitefish box here. And yeah, check them out. They make great hooks, great jigs, affordable. So yeah, that's what I run. Overall, I'm just excited, man. Honestly, this intro is just to tell you guys that I'm very excited to set up for whitefish. That's all I've been doing, digging around my plastics, my jigs, my rods. This is my rod case for whitefish. And I'm going to get all this cleaned up, and then I'll see you guys soon in the next whitefish video. And I will do more like my setup and everything. But overall, I'm very excited to set up. So hopefully you guys enjoy these whitefish outing highlights. Get you guys started, get you guys pumped up, because I'm pumped up and I'm very excited to get out there. So let's get into this video. Dude, I got a fish. What the heck? Whoa. I got a fish. What? I just bounced it and he came out of nowhere. Whoa, it's crazy. That was so cool. I was just messing around. Oh my god, that's crazy. I was just messing around, bouncing my bottom jig. Dude came out of nowhere. That's cool. Dude, it's a giant too. No wonder it felt so heavy. I'm like, oh, there goes another one. There goes another one. There he is. Got him. Oh my gosh, back to back. On this drop shot. That's a nice fish. Yep. Oh, that's a giant. That's another giant. Holy cow. These are huge. This guy has got to be the biggest one of the season. It doesn't look big on here, but it's pretty freaking big. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That's crazy. Wow. Guys, it just freaking turned on. Like 2 back to back. Look at that. That's crazy. Like back to back. Yeah, I saw that in the video. I dropped one, caught this guy, and then caught the second bigger one right here. It's insane, dude. Holy cow. Oh, let's get back down there. Yes. There you go. 7 fish. I just woke up from a nap and this guy was just down there waiting for me. Let's go. Oh my gosh. It's gotta be a big dude, man. He's so freaking smart. Oh, there he is. He's back. Got him! Let's go! Damn, bro, Danny crazy, bro. Finally, dude. Oh, it's a nice one, too. It's a nice one, yep. Yep, there we go. Finally. Here we go.
Let's go!
There you go, guys. Nice fish. Oh, jeez, jeez. Relax, relax. That is a beautiful, shiny whitefish right there. They're so cool looking. Got him. Oh my gosh. One after another, guys. Look at that rod go. Just look at that rod go. It's crazy. It's one after another. Yep, all good fish. Oh, there we go. We went back in. Went back in. Alright, relax, relax, chill, chill. Let me get hooked. And there's some down there too. I just peeked outside too and I came back and there was a fish on my screen. Here we go. It's going back. Don't need no more. Relax, relax, relax. See ya. Take it, take it, take it. No, don't leave the drop shot. Dude, these guys are tiny. Got him. That was cool. That was really cool. That's a nice one. Yep, this guy's a keep. That's a nice one right there. Wow, there's a school on me. Relax, relax, chill, chill. Gonna hurry back down there. Oh yeah, right on the upper lip. No. Man, I got my minnow down there. See if they take it. There we go. Still got there real quick. Go, 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 go. Come on, commit. Commit. Oh my, and they won't commit. Ah, my gosh, these freaking fish, man. Oh, he's back, he's back, he's back. Come on. Oh, got him. I got him. Yes. There we go. I threw a minnow on, now he just smoked it. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. That's a big guy right there. Chill, chill, chill. There we go. Dude, that's a nice one right there. Oh my gosh, finally. Look at that fish. Look how it's all flared up like that. Oh, that was brutal. Like, it showed up so hard. I didn't know when he was going to hit it, honestly.
Oh, I got one on me. I got two on me. Oh, I got him. Let's go. Oh, I just turned on the camera. What the heck? Oh, this guy's fighting really hard. There you go. That's a dandy. That's a dandy. Oh, just a dandy fish. Dude, they're on the freaking minnow strike. On the minnow again. Holy cow. Gotta hurry up and get down there. There we go. That's a nice big one right there. It doesn't look big in the camera, but yeah, it's a pretty decent looking fish. Right there. There you go. Much better length. I'm not long arming, okay? But here it is. Nice fish. Oh, I actually got a fish laying down. Let's go. What the heck? I got a fish laying down. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one too. Let's go, dude. Don't get my bed wet. Fish got a fish laying down, guys. Oh my, look at that. I'm just chilling. That's funny as heck. Oh my gosh. I gotta bunk it in the head first though, so it stops flopping everywhere. Oh, got him. Dude, freaking smashed. What the heck? There's a school down there. Nice. There's a little guy. Dang, there's a school down there, dude. Oh, jeez. A nice school down there. Whoa. Damn, dude showed up out of nowhere. Like, smash my bait type stuff. Wow. Alright guys, so fish number 2. Just caught it. It's a little guy, but I'll take it because I'm trying to get the heck out of here before the storm. So we got some work to do. Get in the head real quick. Chill, relax, relax, relax. It's another nice whitefish. So cool looking. Eat it, eat it. Come on, please eat it, eat it. Got him. Oh, babe, I got another one. Dude, what the heck is going on? And it's on my shorter rod too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's on my shorter rod, so he's fighting really hard. That's a nice fish. Yep, same size. Which I'll take it. Yeah, we got another one. We got another one. Oh, and it popped right off. Relax, chill. Chill, chill, chill. It only takes a little phone call, right? Here's another one, same size. Good eating fish right there. Wow, dude. That's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but something's going on. I still have my glasses on. I didn't even like get ready to fish yet. And I can't even put my rod down. It's crazy. Got him. Got another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Got another one, guys. Oh, it's a nice one too. Jeez. They fight so hard on this light rod. Nope, nope, don't go back down. Oh, it popped off. I got it. Oh, I just saved it. Oh, it's a giant, dude. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. Relax, chill, 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 relax. Right there, guys. This fish is nuts. Look at that thing. That's so cool, man. Oh my goodness. Look at that fish. Look how it's all flared out. Woo! That was scary. I almost lost it by the hole. I grabbed it just in time. Got him.
You need help?
Nope, I got it. He flew up and grabbed it. Nice one too. Whoa. Look at that, man. Look at that rod go. Dude, he's tugging. Whoa. Might be a Might be a decent. Oh, jeez. Now he's peeling.
Got it.
Look at him go. Oh, look at him. He's peeling. He's peeling. Oh, Danny, look. He's going. He's going.
I got one too.
Let's go. Oh, man. This guy's not coming out, guys.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Completely smoked the Gopro minnow. And we're just out here having a good time. Okay, I'm just going to let him go.